Hey guys, it's Steve with My Honey's Handmade. So on this Cobalt router, the thing that bugs me is this throat plate that came with it is not tall enough, so the material likes to dip down. That really bugs the crap out of me. So stay tuned, we're gonna make one. I've got the digital file available on Etsy, and I also have a set of 3 of these throat plates available on my Etsy store as well. So link in the description. But these work so much better. Let me show you. So in the Lightburn software, this is what I use for my Thunder laser. Works really well. I've only had the laser for a month, so I'm still getting used to it. So I'm just making 3 circles and then making these small interior circles that are going to be the cutouts, and then I just center those. You may have to adjust the speed and power of your laser if you want to cut these files out. That was just a little too loose, so let's go make a second one a little larger. Now this 1/8 inch plywood was still just a little too thick, so I took it over to the drum sander and ran it through really just one time. You've seen me run it through multiple times, but that's just to get the right depth. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. The digital file for these 3 throat plates and the physical throat plates themselves are available in my Etsy store.